And look at that, it's not so big, and you can just hold it like that.
I heard the words in your eyes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing, which is this one, Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing. So this is the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. I decided to buy this one because it is very cheap, and I want to use this while I am doing live streaming to play music, and also I can use this while watching Netflix. So let's see what's inside. So this is it. I already opened it, so for setting up. Here it is, the tab itself, and also what they got here. This is the sticker, and it has also adapter, the charger, and the cable for charging. And what else are here? And then the quick start guide, and I think this is a warranty. Yeah, and that's it. There's also SD card or SIM card ejector. They included here also. So now let's check the tablet, how it's looks. Look at that. It has a small camera here at the back, and on the front is here. I will turn it on. Here's the power on. This is the volume and volume up and down. And this one, I think this is for SD card. I only bought the Wi-Fi version, not with the SIM card. So because I already have two phones, so I don't need more stuff with the SIM card. I already set it up for faster unboxing. This is actually a very wise budget tablet. If you can use it for online study, and also it is very cheap. Look at that. You can just swipe. I already put a lock on it, so okay, there it is. This is starting. It's pretty fast actually. At first I was kind of reluctant to buy this one because I thought it is slow, because it has only 3 gigabytes RAM and 32 gigabytes internal memory, but you can add up to 1 terabyte of SD card. So as you can see, I already downloaded all the stuff I need. I have Netflix, I have Spotify, Tidal, because Tidal is really good for all kinds of music, high quality music, hi-fi music. So I chose Tidal compared to, and here are the Neffex song. Let's try the Neffex. Let's try the speaker, how it sounds. You can, this is the volume up. And there's the setting also that you can the three dots, and then you can, yeah, for the notification, for the speaker, media, and for music. And then I will just stop the music now. And I think it's really good. And also, I didn't download a lot of application here because I'm afraid it will have a memory full. So let's see where we can find the how much RAM did I, battery and device care, the storage, yeah, 47%. You see, it's already half of the memory, the storage, internal memory. So I hope you like this one, and I hope you also buy this tablet. And look at that, it's not so big, and you can just, yeah, hold it like that. Yeah, so today I'm gonna start using this. I'm gonna watch my favorite series on Netflix, and I'll see. So I finally log in my Netflix account. So this is how it looks like, the Netflix. Let's see, let's go to YouTube, how it's the resolution on YouTube. Okay, I will search on Neffex, and let's try this one. Take Me Back, this latest song. So this is how it looks like.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an
It's
age
nice, I
when the world felt
think.
small.
You can check the quality, advanced specific, apply on the video. It just takes a bit of, yeah, you see the difference of the 1080p. No, not bad at all. So that's all. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you like this video. And I'm gonna end my vlog now. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. And to all my supporters, thank you so much, and to all my members, thank you so much as well. I will include their channel on the description box so that you can also subscribe to their channel. And I will see you again on my next vlog. I love you all, and kisses.
I heard the